Hi everyone. Welcome to the Data Masterclass. This is my first tutorial video about overview of SPSS and how to create sheet in SPSS. This is interface of SPSS. There are two views. One is called data view and other is variable. The data view display information against each variable, whereas variable view provides information about variable features. The variable view is an important aspect in SPSS. It allows data analysts to prepare the variables for data analysis. The variable view helps create a data sheet for different types of variables. I will explain how to create SPSS sheet with the help of empirical study. It will allow you to get better understanding as most studies are survey-based studies.
Before starting analysis, the most initial step is to create SPSS sheet. For that purpose, I will show you with the help of Questionnaire. This is Questionnaire about product design impact on customer engagement. The questionnaire normally includes two parts, demographic and variable. The demographic includes information related to age, gender, etc. While the variable part include questions related to main variable of the study. The questionnaire part related to variables include a scale which record respondents' information. In most of the survey studies, researchers use Likert scale to record information. In Likert scale, 1 stands for strongly disagree and 5 for strongly agree. Now I will show you how we can create SPSS. First, we need to click at the variable view, then click on the first empty box to enter variable. In our example, I have used age for SPSS sheet creation. According to questionnaire order, I have added age in the variable name box. After then, we need to put scale information against each variable. For that purpose, I have used the values of age. Go to the values section, enter value 1 for age group 18 to 29. Then put other values similarly, 2 for 30 to 39, 3 for 40 to 49, and 4 for 50 plus. The process is ongoing for creating SPSS sheet for the variable. 2 represents here age group between 30 and 39, 3 represents here age group between 40 to 49. And finally, 4 represents here age group between 50 plus and onward. This will allow the users to record respondents' information in a respective age group. It helps record and analyze age group easily. Later on, I will also show you how we use age groups for group analysis as. Similarly, we can create variable in SPSS for gender as well. Next, in the name column, type in a name for your new gender variable, such as gender. Now, in the values column, click on the button to open the value labels window. Here, you can assign a label to each possible value of your gender variable. For example, you can label 1 as male and 2 as female. Finally, return to the Data View tab and enter the appropriate value for each case in your dataset. For example, enter 1 for male cases and 2 for female cases. Now I will explain what a Likert scale is, and show you how to create a one-item variable with a Likert scale in SPSS. Now, let's create a one-item variable with a Likert scale in SPSS. In the name column, type in a name for your new variable, such as item 1. Now, in the values column, click on the button to open the value labels window. Here, you can assign a label to each possible value of your Likert scale. For example, you can label 1 as strongly disagree, 2 as disagree, 3 as neutral, 4 as agree, and 5 as strongly agree. After you have entered the labels, click Add to save them and then OK to close the window. Finally, return to the Data View tab and enter the appropriate value for each case in your dataset. For example, enter 1 for strongly disagree, 2 for disagree, 3 for neutral, 4 for agree, and 5 for strongly agree. That's it. You have now created a one-item variable with a Likert scale in SPSS. You can repeat the same process to create additional variables for the other items in your survey questionnaire. Just remember to adjust the name and value labels accordingly. We hope you found this tutorial helpful.